everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I am doing a cleaning video. I'm cleaning the lower level of our house. It's a little bit cluttered, but it's really dusty and grimy and it just needs a good polishing and cleaning. We had watched a lot of movies and so I was just putting away DVDs there. We are in the middle of probably the 4th or 5th day of rain and everything is just dusty and just kind of feels icky. So I'm just going to clean and polish. You know how I feel about my Glass Plus. It's what I use for everything, glass windows. This is the Dollar General brand of furniture polish. It's lemon scented. It's just like the more well-known brands. It works really well. We have a lot of super dark furniture, as you can see, and man, that stuff just collects dust. It's crazy how much dust just shows on those tables. I can dust these things and I swear the next day it looks like I haven't dusted in 6 months. But I'm going to go ahead with the Glass Plus and clean off the electronics, and then I'm going to polish the furniture. I think really, guys, I'm just going to throw on some music and do a clean with me, let you guys get up and move along with me. I hope this gives you some motivation. If you have any questions, give me a holler. I love to talk to you guys. Absolutely love it. So leave me some comments, show me some love. Share my channel. I am uploading cleaning videos every Tuesday and uploading a lifestyle video on Thursdays. So something along the lines of home decor, home decorating, rearranging, cooking recipes, shop with me's, haul with me's, that type of thing. Those will go up on Thursdays. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. And let's get busy. Poor Sophie's having a stressful week, you guys. It's raining, it's thunderstorming, and she's terrified of the vacuum, and here I am vacuuming the floors. Poor Sophie. Time to move into the kitchen, but first I need to fortify myself with a little bit more coffee. One of the things that I really struggle with as a migraine sufferer are scents, and I love the house to smell good. This is Cranberry Mandarin Wax Melt from Better Homes and Gardens, and I picked this up at Walmart and it's like $2.99 or something. I use these wax melts in my Scentsy pot. I cannot use a lot of wax melts. Like most of the brands trigger migraines. Odors and smells, perfumes, colognes, room sprays, that stuff, a lot of those things trigger migraines for me. So I have to be really careful about what I use. But like you guys, I want my house to smell good and I want it to be inviting when you come in. So I happened upon these Better Homes and Garden scents, and so far none of the Better Homes and Garden brands I've tried have triggered migraines. Now I like some scents better than others. I've had this same cranberry mandarin candle, and I love the candle. The candle is a much stronger scent, and I absolutely love it. The wax melt is a little bit too subtle, you almost don't smell it. So that kind of annoys me a little bit, but they don't trigger migraines. So if you suffer with that and you have migraines, this might be a brand for you to check out. I'm just using regular furniture polish on my stainless steel. I find it cleans and shines it better than any of the products that I've tried that are intended for stainless steel. And I've tried a few of the other like Pinterest recipes and so on that are meant to make your stainless steel really shine. But really what I find that works the best and the easiest is just regular old furniture polish. I know I talk about this a lot, and I know I do it a lot, but I just can't abide by not cleaning the sink. The sink is so gross. Like literally, it's gross. Think about it. We put dirty dishes in it. We put uneaten food down the garbage disposal. We thaw raw meat in it. We wash our hands in it. We wash all kinds of things in it. I mean, it's just nasty. So I probably do this, I don't know, I would say at least twice a day, if not probably closer to 4 or 5 times a day, because the whole idea of the sink being dirty grosses me out. It's just as nasty. So I'm gonna scrub it out, and I'm just using regular old dish soap and a lot of hot water. And I've had some people comment on how much hot water I use, and I do use a lot. And part of that is because our townhouse is on a slab. We don't even have a crawl space, so it's not a foundation. It's just a straight slab that we're sitting on. So there's not a lot of a degree of slope to our piping, and I want to make sure that everything that's gross and disgusting and that could come back and cause odors is completely flushed all the way through those pipes and out. So I do run a lot of hot water. I do try to reduce our footprint in other ways, but this to me is a sanitation issue, and it's not something I'm willing to take shortcuts on. So I vacuumed the living room floor really thoroughly, and I'm going to do the same thing here in the kitchen, including that entry rug by the garage door. I'm not going to mop right now because both of my mop heads are actually in the wash machine, so that's going to have to wait. It's been raining for days here, and I swear I cannot keep up with keeping them clean enough to actually get the mud off the floor instead of just swiping it around and making the mud more spread out than it would have been if I had left it alone. Hey, you guys, I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around and watch some more videos of mine. I would really appreciate it, and we'll talk soon. You guys have a great day.